Okay, I'm going to try to show you as many features of Google Docs as I can in the next few minutes. First of all, and maybe most importantly, is this help right here. If you click on help, there's a search bar that comes up and you can put in anything that you want and it will do it for you. Let's say you want to insert an image, but you forgot how to do it. We're going to insert it from the web. It'll do it right there from the toolbar. Got it? Speaking of the toolbar, you're probably familiar with all the stuff that usually comes up right around here. You can change the font size, how big you want the text to be. You can change the color of things. So I can highlight something that I want to change the color of, and I can change the text color, but I can also change the highlight color to do all kinds of other fancy stuff. And you also see all of these other drop downs here: file, edit, view, insert, format tools, add-ons. There's all kinds of stuff that you can do in here. I'm just going to show you a few. First, from file, if you scroll all the way down to page setup, you can change the margins. You can move it from portrait to landscape, and this is kind of cool. You can change the page color into whatever page background you want. So if you want your whole page background to be a different color or a different shade of white or gray, you can do that too. Next, you've got the insert. So you can insert all kinds of things. You can insert an image. You can search the web for an image, and it'll come up right in our browser. And so maybe I want an image of the Blue Jackets. I can either highlight it and click insert, or I can just take it and drag it all the way into the document, and it'll put it right there. Now this image happens to be enormous, so I can take it by the corner and scroll it down and keep on going until I get it small enough to be on the same page. Pretty cool, right? Now I can also insert a table. So if I scroll down the table, I can just do a 1x1 table, or 2x2, or 3x2. So that's 3 across and 2 down, whatever I want to do. And I'll put all these different boxes in there, and I can type whatever I want into each of the boxes. Other things that I might want to insert would be a drawing, a chart, footnote. There are special characters that we can insert too. So let's say that you're in math class and you want to put in some sort of equation, but you don't know how to draw it. Let's see, what's something that's not on your keyboard? Maybe a plus minus sign. So I can put the plus minus sign in, and it shows up right there. Pretty cool, right? So you've got tables, you've got footnotes you can put in. You can insert a header or a footer. So if you want your header to say your name at the top of every page, then you can put it right there in the header. And then when you go down to a second page, your name's already at the top there automatically. Anything else that you insert into your header will be in all the headers. So if you want to put a page number in there, this one will show no page number on the front page if you've got a cover page. This one will show a number on the front page, and then every page it changes the number for you. Anything that you put in the header is going to be at the top of every page that you have on your doc. You can also insert a link. I like to use the Control+K shortcut for this, but if you want to insert a link, you can put copy a link, put it in the link part, and then you can put whatever text you want in the top. And then it'll make a hyperlink, and when you click on it, you can go straight to that link that you copied. You can also insert comments. There are a few different ways to do that. You can Control plus Alt plus M. You can go to insert comments, or usually there is a little spot over on the right that you can click on. And then you just type in the box over to the right, click comment, and it's there for everyone to see. I'm almost done, but there are just a couple more tools I want you to see. So if you click on tools, there are all these neat little tools on here. One of them is Explore, where you can get there pressing Control plus Alt plus Shift plus I, or there's a symbol down here, and you can just click on that, and that'll basically bring up Google in your doc, and you can search for whatever you want. And you can get all kinds of information, images, or you can search your drive for stuff too. Another cool feature is the define feature. So you can highlight a word, especially since you're going to be doing a lot of reading online. If there's a word you don't understand, highlight it and go to dictionary, and it'll define it right there for you in the right. And then the last thing I'll show you is voice typing. So if you click voice typing, it'll create this little microphone up here, and then make sure that your cursor is in the right spot. And you can click to speak. You have to allow your microphone, and then whatever you say will be transcribed right on the page. So this is a great way if you're not into writing giant papers, but you can talk about them really easily. You can just turn on your microphone and talk about how whatever book you read is a great example of whatever topic it is that you're discussing because of A, B, and C, and then you can go through and edit it later. Notice you can also say punctuation, so it'll put it in there.